Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a luxury skincare routine, so make sure to comment, subscribe, and of course set your notifications for all of the fun stuff. My name is Dayo and I'm going to be doing the voiceover for this video, telling you all the step-by-step process to retaining a really healthy looking skin. So the first step, we're going to cleanse our face and we'll be using the Farmacy Clean Bee Cleanser. First, I go in with my hands and my fingers. And then I go in with my brush from Vanity Planet. It kind of works on everything to remove all of the dirt. Now that the face is cleansed, I rinse, and the next step is I love to add the steamer to help open up my pores. It feels so good. I also exfoliate my skin with XO Skin Health Exfoliating Face Polish to remove the dead skin and all the nasties. Yeah, you want to be very, very careful now. Make sure you're taking out all the nasty stuff from your skin, because, you know, you just never know. And of course I put the steamer again, because I like to use the steamer, and why not? Now I'm going to go in with the Live Glam Lip Scrub to exfoliate my lips. We need those lips very soft and succulent. I'm also going to continue steaming my face and then rinse. Can you see the glow? Exactly. Next step, I'm going to apply the face mask. I'm going to be using the Origins Charcoal Honey Mask to purify and nourish the skin. I can't feel my face. That means it's time to rinse. But first, let's steam again. Now that the face is rinsed and air dried without a towel now, I go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Toner. Guys, you all know this is the pure juice. It's just so amazing. I like to use my hands to get it all in so that I can feel my pores. And you know, at the end of the day, it makes me feel like kind of spicy. Okay, now let's show up the glow. Next, I go in with the XO Skin Fermented Syrup. I press them with my hand. Then I go with the Jade Roller from Herbivore. And then I'm using the Kiehls Creamy Avocado Eye Cream. I use the ring finger to apply this all over. You all need to protect those eyes because they're very delicate. The eye cream is not just for the skin girls or the eye bags. It's just so you protect your eyes, because those are the windows to the soul. On the other side of the Jade Roller, I get the cream in. Next, it's a moisturizer to seal in all of the goodies. I'm using the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. You all know I love this, right? Good for all skin types, even especially for us, the dry skin fam. You know I don't do this, dots, but in real life, but hey, let's just do it for the internet. Now, you don't want to forget your neck, guys. You don't want to have a young looking face and an old neck. That's where all the wrinkles pop up from. So finally, I will spritz my face. What is this called? With the Claudel Exlier from Jason Wu. I moisturize them lips with the Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask. Yes, it's for sleeping, but I'm gonna wear it all day and all night. Yeah, because I can. Now look at me glowing. Also, don't forget to drink lots of water, eat a balanced diet, move that body with a simple workout, and mind your business. And your life will glow in the most beautiful way ever. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video, to comment, and of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel and get all the notifications for all the fun stuff that I'll be bringing your way. And also share with your friends and family, and follow me on social media and Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. One word, Aisha_SK. So that's Aisha_SK, and I'll follow you right back. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.